Hi everyone, it is July 6, 2022. It is 11:15 a.m. and we are at University Avenue and Queen Street in Toronto, Canada. Here we are at the Adam Beck Memorial. This is the statue of Sir Adam Beck. This is known as the Adam Beck Memorial. Sir Adam Beck was the founder of Ontario Hydro. Here's a closer look. The sculptor of this particular statue is Emmanuel Hahn. This particular statue won in a design competition for a memorial to commemorate Adam Beck, and it was unveiled in 1934. There's the various kinds of engravings. Take a walk around. The back looks like. Here's a bench. Sir Adam Beck was he had a lot of efforts in developing the hydroelectricity generation and transmission systems in Ontario. He died in 1925. Here it says, erected by the Corporation of the City of Toronto and the Toronto Hydroelectric Commission in grateful commemoration of the public service of Sir Adam Beck, KT Limited, MLA, whose labors have ensured that the citizens of his native province under cooperative municipal ownership shall enjoy the benefits of low-cost electrical energy derived from water power resources to serve the industrial and domestic needs of the province of Ontario. So that was Sir Adam Beck Memorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more content similar to this video here, please press the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.